Nauryz is a Kazakh New Year. It's celebrated several days starting from 24th of March, the day of the spring equinox. Nauryz symbolizes goodness and wealth, happiness and love, and a great friendship day since this holiday is common for many nations. During Nauryz celebrations, past offenses are forgiven and forgotten, and everybody makes a wish to leave all badness behind and bring renewal in the new year. Celebration of Nauryz. During the Nauryz holiday, large and small cities, villages become festival centers. Felt yurts, traditional nomad houses, are erected in city centers, and a rich dastarkhan table is laid down in each of them. People wearing beautiful national clothes listen to Kazakh songs, play musical instruments. Other traditional contests prominent of Nauryz celebration in Kazakhstan include Kazakhsha Kores national wrestling, a logic game called Toğuz Kumalak, also Kız Kulu Bayka. Girls and boys gather together to socialize and play on large log swings called Altı Bakan. Nauryz Kuje is the most important of all meals during these days and the main symbol of Nauryz, since it's prepared especially for this day. Nauryz Kuje is special for its unique recipe. Traditionally, 7 different ingredients are added to Nauryz Kuje: water, meat, salt, milk, 1 type of grains chosen from rice, corn or wheat, and others. If you want to wish somebody a happy Nauryz, you can say Nauryz Qutlu bolsun. Have a happy Nauryz.